The chairperson and all the participants, today we're going to present it as our research augmented reality as a tool for promoting the tourist value of the paleontology, a case study based on the reconstruct 3D fossil samples of southern basins of Sri Lanka, and researchers who are going to be collaborating with the project as Arvind Raibana, Jindasa Katapatha, Najda Autitan, Buddhika Silva, Samit Kumar Singh. First we'll see what is the meaning of the augmented reality. AR is one of the biggest technology trends right now, and it's only going to get bigger as AR-ready smartphones and other devices become more accessible around the world. AR let us see the real environment right in front of us in a virtual mode. Right now, this AR technology has been applied to the many fields as gaming sector, developing navigation, military sector, providing historical site, medical sector, and aviation sector. Therefore, we focus our effort to create an augmented reality applications which aim to synchronize 3D reconstructions of the multiple fossil items to provide online tourism database as a supportive platforms of the academic and research purposes. As applications of methodology, basically we have proceeded at the first step. First, design the model using the blended 3D, and we use 360 images of the each sample, and then design the marker for exact identification. This part should be developed via mobile applications. This is the marker. Then develop the AR application using the Android or iOS Studio with the Vuforia augmented reality engine. Then test in application. So we'll see how it's going to be implemented reality in the next slide. This is a reconstructed 3D modeling sample from the paleo most probably single which is found out from the Sabaragamuwa beds from the gem pits. The testing in our applications video represented the way of the 3D modeling, the synchronizing with the real environmental. Actually, this is such a perfect tool for the exhibit each fossils in the different and attractive way. So also we have used very familiar sample for the public sector to go through with the applications. So now we'll see some of modules linked with the public sector. As following the same augmented reality technology, this is a fundamental approach to synchronizing modified sample in entrance at the Colombo City Centre shopping mall, Sri Lanka. So the first image presented the extinction type elephant in the actual dimensions, which is developed by using the augmented reality, and the middle one, the Paleosaurus modified sample, and the third one, Spinosaurus modified sample. Actually, this is quite interesting and attractive applications to get attentions of the each every customers. And also here represented the two dino fighting in front of the fossil showroom, and the T-Rex in front of the Odile showroom, Styrosaurus modified dino samples by using the augmented reality at the Hyundai showroom at Colombo City Centre. Actually, make sure to consider that none of objective includes here are in the premises, because of this is only AR test trial. And also we were heading to the National Museum auxiliary sections of the Colombo to synchronizing the samples of the developed applications. In here we paste a few samples in a different dimension, just like a rhinoceros and also the extinction elephant and crocodile species. Each of the samples has been synchronizing inside of the auxiliary sections. Actually, it's added some uniqueness to the whole sections. The most important case is after develop the all R&D platforms of the relevant to this application is so easy to synchronize into the any real places to anyone. So here also again that dino sample has been synchronizing inside of the auxiliary sections at National Museum, Sri Lanka. We have extended to the augmented reality processing application for few other public areas, just like one golf face close to the presidential office, Vihara Mahadevi Park, and golf face and also synchronizing the few AR model just like dino samples and rhino samples in each every places. In future, we're looking for get some feedback from the different sector regarding the applicability of this application. And we hope to provide the same applications in a multidisciplinary approach providing the current solutions too. Additionally, it's quite applicable to use these applications as a tool of providing the wildlife conservations, include educations and research level. If it is any request, we can consider to the upgrading similar applications in the future relevant to the wildlife for any type of tourism mode. Also, same applications has capability to develop any type virtual environment in your office, home, maybe your research stations, maybe your academic stations in a real dimension. It is going to be such an interactive experience for each everyone. When it concerns of the augmented reality in a multidisciplinary approach of the industrial level, they easily go through via urban designing and the planning sector too. The recommendations and the conclusions. The reconstruct a few paleontological sites in Sri Lanka via research and commercial application mode, especially based on the mobile app. And also this kind of applications take the star for the academic and professionals. AR enables unique and opportunities with the immersive reality. Also, this kind of application provides students and research with a new level interactive experience. Also, the AR provides safety technology for the automobiles, and also this is such a good tool for the teaching and allows working training without any risk.